I mean, I love it. But then I've wanted to do something like this for a long time, so I'm getting rather stuck into it.
I should let go.
What's amazing about the DBS Institute and the way that that's run is the modules are all taught through Moodle, and the content's put on there, but it's up to you when you access it, which was really important for me. So I could access any of the content at any different times.
I can study whenever I want, wherever I want. So that's really, really, really chance. I can just take my laptop with me and follow the courses.
It has helped me to raise my standards of everything, and I think that has helped me to grow not only as a student, but as a professional. Of course, it opened the door to work with, bigger artists or do a better job.
I've loved the content, the stuff that they're doing, and the stuff that they're teaching is exactly what I would want to be doing. You know, like it's exactly the kind of content that I would look out for.
It's not just recorded videos and written support and stuff like that. We also have direct feedback from the teachers, and for me that's really, really interesting. I was expecting something good, but not something as good and as deep as this degree is, because we're learning really powerful techniques. On the creativity side, it's really great as well, because we're learning how creativity works, and we're learning some really, really, really interesting and alternative creative techniques, which I'm not sure I would have been able to find in another place.
So yeah, for me, the master's course is an opportunity for me to express myself more. Having the master's degree in the future would give me more opportunities, or could enable me to pursue larger projects, let's say, like a physical proof, let's say, that I'm able to handle larger projects in the future.
The more theoretical research-based stuff is also very, very good. It gives you an overview of a subject and then points you in the right direction if you want to explore that in particular subject in more detail. Sort of opening up my eyes really to things that I kind of knew, but it gives me a chance to explore them in more depth, and sort of, it is definitely expanding the way I look at making music.
What I really, really appreciated about it is that I got to know to use Ableton, Pro Tools and Logic Pro in a really, the course was from basic to advanced. Right now I can produce in any of them, or I can do some things in Logic Pro and then translate them to Ableton and work with it, and then do the final mix in Pro Tools with the Dolby Atmos renderer. I think that has been really, really helpful.
And we get video content, we get audio content, we get stems to work with, we get seminars to talk about, where we all submit our work and we all talk about how we did with it. We have problem shooting sessions.
I have my own gear with me here at home, and that's also one of great opportunity with this. You're able to work with your gear and you get a better knowledge of your gear. You get better reflexes as well with your gear. So this online formula is really nice as well for working and learning with your gear.
Being a father, it's really useful to have the option to study online. Working online gives me the freedom to fit it in the evenings and while the kids are at school. So yeah, it's a perfect way to study if you're a parent.
You're really learning. It's not an online course as you will get on basic website. It's really a degree, and you get really academic content, really deep content, really deep knowledge.
I mean, I just think that the course leaders that I've had, the seminars that I've had, have been absolutely top rate. The quality of provision, the quality of tuition has been amazing. And I'm just really grateful to how supportive they've been so far on the course. I'm really excited to start the next project.